Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have Tiny Tim's Chicken. Yes, the beloved crippled child from the classic novella, A Christmas Carol. Here's how you make this. You want 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, followed by 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, or celery flakes. But celery flakes are kind of hard to come by, so I just substituted parsley. Then you want 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, a teaspoon and a half of rosemary, 2 teaspoons of sage, a half a teaspoon of cayenne, or if you want it a little spicier, you can certainly up the cayenne, but I just decided to go with the classic half a teaspoon. And like I said, that's 2 teaspoons of sage. Then you just want to get a spoon and mix this up. All right, let's move on to the chicken. Okay, as you can see here, we got about a 3-4 pound bird that I patted dry with a paper towel. And now we're just going to rub this all over, and then we're going to pop this into a 300-degree oven until the chicken breast reads 165. Then we're going to pull it out, and you want to let this rest at least 15 minutes. All right, it's been cooked, it's been rested, and there you go. So that's Tiny Tim's roast chicken. Done. And we're kicking off the 2024 Christmas season. A video every day until Christmas Day.